Good morning everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I'm currently on my third holiday of this year just to film videos for you lot. I hope you're happy. This time we've come to around the Tenby area in South Wales, and we're staying in a pod or a wigwam or glamping, whichever one you'd like to call it. And this is the site that we're staying on. It's called WIGWAM Holidays in Shellstone. And it's on this lovely quiet road in this lovely quiet area. So let's show you the site and the pod. So there's a couple of parking spaces right here on the entrance. There's no parking actually in the site. So Julie greeted us, and she was a lovely assistant, told us about the area and such. So this is what we're going to be staying in. It's got a picnic bench and a fire pit by there, which we will be using and showing you later on this evening. And it's got a bit of decking. And we're staying in the Carew wigwam. Now this is a disabled wigwam. We chose this one because it had a bit more space for us. So that is normally a sofa by there, the table, the two singles. It has the electric hob by there, microwave, a small fridge, kettle, toaster, everything you need. Here's the bathroom. Obviously it is a disabled bathroom. There are 6 other wigwams on site, I believe, and they're all quite well spaced out as well too. See? It's lovely, peaceful and quiet here. You can see it does look like it has a road going through the site, but there's actually no cars allowed on the site. Now this is a bit of an overgrown pond, but Julie, the person who welcomed us, said there's plenty of wildlife in it. And this is at the bottom of the site. There are extras that you can hire off of them. And that is all on here. Hopefully you can read it with a reflection. It's all quite fairly priced. So we've just been brought our bucket of kindling, fire lighter and logs ready for this evening in the fire pit. I did say I'd show you when I lit the fire. I'll show you some rainbow stuff in a bit. This is the rainbow stuff we got to go on, called Mystical Fire. I said I'd bring you colours. I'm stood right by the pond, and this is the bottom cabin. You can see how well spaced out they are. There's another cabin up by there, currently being cleaned. As I'm sure I've said before, it's an absolutely beautiful site in the sticks, close to Manorbier, the closest town is. Lovely and quiet, there's no kids running around, there's not even a park, so you haven't even got the kids being rowdy from a play park. The owners are lovely, they'll do anything for you, within reason, you know. So yeah, I've had a wonderful time and I'd highly recommend this campsite. Absolutely beautiful. So that was WIGWAM Holidays. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you'll stick around for the videos I make whilst I'm here. I hope the weather holds out for that. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye bye for now.